what's happening with the camper? All done. Good girl. All right, friends. We are getting ready to set off on what might very well be our longest drive day yet. Why we're driving so far in one day, we'll let you know in a little bit. But first I'm going to show you kind of what we're doing to prep for a potentially very long day in the truck and camper. You ready for a long day?
I am ready. Are you?
We got a lot of stuff done out here.
Everything's done.
Proud of you. Thank
We're
you.
ready to go.
We're ready to go. So I'm grateful. I worked the past 3 days, so Mike did a lot of the stuff outside and a lot of that to pack up and like get everything ready. And then we tidied up a little inside, so packing up hasn't taken us that long.
Yeah.
I was telling them this is potentially our longest drive day.
Hopefully not though. Didn't we drive like...
I was thinking about that 9 hours though, and I think we're gonna go longer than 9 hours today.
Yeah.
We did 9 hours in Nevada once, but I think today may be longer than 9 hours.
I thought it was longer than that.
I don't know, I'll have to look back.
Okay. Are you ready in there?
I think so. I've just gotta carry out all my stuff.
Oh boy. Callie's ready?
Callie's ready. Callie, you ready to go? Did Dad say you could go with us? Huh?
I guess she can go today.
She was supposed to ask you.
Oh. Well, she still hasn't learned to talk, so.
First piece of advice for long drive days, dress for comfort. Just for comfort. We're not looking fancy at all. We're gonna be sitting in the truck all day, no one to impress.
Steph's definitely dressed for comfort.
I am definitely dressed for comfort. Ready to go? You ready to get in the truck? All right. Yeah, it is. All right, you gotta sit. Sit, stay, wait, wait, wait. Okay, you can get up in there. You gonna help me carry in all my stuff, Gal? Okay. All right, so something I do every time we take the truck and camper anywhere is probably bring way too much stuff. But today's gonna be a long day. It's a Wednesday, we're getting a video out to y'all, so I'm gonna be editing a little. I'm gonna show you what all I'm bringing into the truck, which might be a little ridiculous. 2 drinks, coffee and water, because of course we're gonna stop to pee every 5 minutes. Big bag with laptop, camera gear, my purse, my planner, probably a book I won't read, but you know, I wanna be prepared.
Coffee and water. I would not believe all the stuff that Steph has. She has an entire bag full of stuff. Taking the Blue Eddy today. We did a video, what, 3 weeks ago on this Blue Eddy, and I said one thing that was gonna be nice for us is drive days so that we can edit on the road or charge our stuff. And Callie can keep an eye on it back
Callie's
there.
gonna watch Blue Eddy for us.
Thanks, Callie.
Callie's food and water. I don't always bring her food and water, but since it's gonna be such a long day, I'm gonna try to encourage her to eat and drink while we have our breaks and stuff. So just in case she needs it, I'm putting it in the truck. Ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Hey, I didn't pack any snacks.
Oh, do I not get breakfast?
So I thought it'd be a bad idea to snack all day, so I didn't pack any snacks. Are you gonna be okay?
Okay, I'll be okay.
You sure?
I'm okay.
You sure?
Everything's fine. I'm fine.
Hmm?
We're fine. Everything's fine.
Let's go home, guys.
Let's go home.
One thing about travel days is you gotta roll with the punches. Like for example, you might only be like 20 minutes into your drive and the traffic comes to a standstill. We use Google Maps often for live traffic updates, and it does say that the traffic is red, but I don't know if there's a lane closure or a wreck or what. So it's early in the day, it's important not to get too frustrated with slowdowns.
Callie wants to see what's going on.
One thing that helps us not get frustrated is when we're in a slowdown, we let Callie stick her head out the window because it makes us happy and it makes everybody happy that gets to see her. said it before and I'll say it again, rest areas are your friend. That kind of rhymed. I'm kind of proud of myself for that. But this one does definitely look busy. Okay, we have to make a decision though.
What?
This is the very first stop. Are we getting snacks or no? Khaleesi!
Excuse me?
Gaga, do you have to potty? Huh?
What's with the attitude?
She's getting into the teen years, you guys. It's a whole different ball game.
Well, I'm hungry, so the answer is yes, I guess.
Snack time. All right, snack break.
Snack break.
I'm gonna tell you something. Oh, go ahead.
Like a bear's gonna jump
How do you
out.
open the fridge after driving?
Like a bear's gonna jump out.
Ah! That was pretty good. No bears. I do have a stop planned out in about an hour and a half that they have food at, so.
Does it rhyme with schmuck fees?
Schmuck fees. What about like truckies?
Truckies.
Or maybe it's Buc-ees.
Buc-ees. Well,
Best tip to a long travel day. Find a Buc-ees.
Yeah. If you don't stop at Buc-ees, do you even RV really?
I mean, I feel bad for people that don't have Buc-ees near them. I really do.
How much further is it?
Hour and a half-ish. Hour and 20.
I don't think I can wait that long to eat.
Okay. Snacks here.
Snacks.
Snacks again at Buc-ees.
Snacks and more snacks.
Snacks on snacks. Even if you haven't had the joy of going to a Buc-ee's, have you seen the billboards? One of my favorite parts about Buc-ee's is just the billboards leading up to it. Do you have a favorite billboard, Mike?
I saw one that said 2 reasons to stop at Buc-ee's, number 1 and number 2.
That one took me a minute to get, I'm not gonna lie.
That's probably been my favorite. What's the best Buc-ee's billboard you've seen?
Best Buc-ee's billboard. I like that. Let us know. Best one. You want to talk about it?
Well, I got slushies for us.
I pumped the gas. Mike went inside Buc-ee's. I didn't get the pleasure of going inside this time, but
I spilled slushy everywhere. And of course, like 10 people swooped in to clean it. Buc-ee's is just, it's a whole experience. I got up front after I got everything and the guy checking me out. I go, so you just like have to embrace the chaos, right? And he goes, oh man, it's not even busy today. You should see it on the weekends.
oh my soul. In all reality, Buc-ee's is awesome to me for a couple reasons. One, there is diesel at every pump. If you have a diesel vehicle, there's diesel at every pump.
And they usually have several lanes at the end of the pumps that have DEF fluid as well.
DEF at the pumps, yep.
So you can get DEF here, and I like that because not only is it cheaper, but it eliminates the waste of that, all that plastic and cardboard of those. I think they're 2.5 gallons.
I think they're 2.5 gallons, but these jugs of plastic and cardboard, and we literally dump them in the truck and throw them away, and we hate one-time use plastic like that. So, and it's usually cheaper, like you said,
it's way cheaper to get it at the pump.
It's big, it's easy to get in and out of, and then if you go inside, Buc-ee's is a whole experience.
Yep.
Like I said, I didn't get to go inside this time, which is fine.
Nope.
Buc-ee's. Ready to say
Never
goodbye?
change Buc-ee's. and fuel was
That's
$4.98
$4.98
for diesel, which is crazy right now. We've been paying anywhere between $5.20 and $5.39 for it. So.
It's the final pit stop.
I'm might need some more coffee.
We're on the home stretch. We're down to just over an hour. We've been on the road a little over 9 hours. This is insane. Don't drive this long in one day. Not recommended. But I think we're doing okay, right? So I know a lot of RVers almost exclusively use like truck stations, truck lanes, but it is not our preference.
No, it is not.
Sometimes it can just be a little overwhelming. Do you guys have a preference? Do you use the truck lanes only, or do you just try to find gas stations, fuel stations that you can fit in with your camper?
Like Buc-ees.
Like Buc-ees.
Buc-ees just needs to be everywhere.
Buc-ees is pretty great. Flying J's, if we're going to go to a non-Buc-ees fuel station, Flying J's are probably our favorite.
There's Buc-ees and then there's everybody else.
Everybody else. But Flying J's we really like because
they usually have RV lanes,
yeah,
which is really nice.
So they'll have like their truck lanes in the back and then their regular fuel lanes, and then usually in the front off to the side they'll have 2 to 4 small lanes that are specifically labeled for campers and RVs, which is great. Like, yeah. It's so nice. You can just pull off. There's usually not other cars that aren't supposed to be in those lanes. So Buc-ees, oh wait. Buc-ees,
yeah.
Flying J, and then other places. That'd be my order, I think. All right, just over an hour left. We've got this.
Full go.
Full go. Oh no!
You don't have the goat up here. That's
Please
why.
hold. Mike.
Yes, basically.
Should have had that out and ready for the Loves experience. I mean, in all reality, today hasn't been terrible.
No, just a long day.
Do you want to push him? Would that help?
That would help. Actually.
All right.
Okay.
Feel better? Feel better? All right. Full goat, guys. We're almost home. Did we make it, guys? Huh?
Where are we?
What are we doing, huh? Oh my goodness.
She's so excited.
Hey, where are we? Huh? Callie C. Hey. Huh? Where are we?
She's so excited. Where are we?
You know where we're at? Huh? Tell me. Tell me. All right. Hey, we made it.
We made it.
Somehow
That's AJ.
survived. Is that AJ dog?
AJ.
AJ. Hi, honey. AJ.
What are you doing?
Hi.
All right, we're here. We made it.
We made it.
What, 4 states?
This was way too much. I would not recommend.
500 and
some miles. 4 states, over 500 miles. And how long did we decide we've been on the road?
about 11 hours. Yeah, too much. Not recommended. Well, we made it home. We're looking forward to spending some time with our family and friends. We have some upcoming projects with the camper. We'll make sure that we keep you guys informed about. But for this week, we're gonna kind of relax a little bit and get some stuff done.
Not relax, we got a lot of stuff to do. That's why we booked it home, because we have a short period of time to get a lot of stuff done. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. We'll see you guys next time.